Hi, my name is Dex, and today we're looking at the function called recurring module in both SQL Accounting and AutoCount. This function will be especially critical for companies that actually do things like contractual billing or membership billing on a monthly basis, and of course over a period of time. Say example, for a membership can be for a period of 12 months. So the first one that we'll be looking at today will be AutoCount. So if you need to use this function, please note that this function is only available on AutoCount version 2.0. Alright, so let's say example we want to do a billing. All we just need to come into invoice. Right, then after that we will just select a customer. Alright, say customer, and then we select the product. Say example product A, and then we'll bill 1 unit at $180. Alright, so now you can see there's a function called save as recurrence. Click here, and then we can say okay, customer billing. We can even select what kind of numbering format that we want to. We can select which customer that we want to do this for, say customer. Okay, we can even set whether is it a daily, weekly or monthly basis. Let's say now we're doing a monthly basis. We will set the billing will be done on the beginning on the first day of every month. Alright, so we can even set things like the start date. So let's say we want to start 01/08/2021, and we can even end after 12 recurring times. We can even tick here whether we want to automatically create or we want to prompt the particular user. Alright, so then we just press generate next recurrence date. The system will then predetermine what are the next dates that the invoice will be generated. So from a user perspective, they don't even need to know that we need to generate this invoice. The system will automatically generate this invoice, and upon generating, the system will even tag what is the invoice number here. Alright, so all we just need to do is save and execute, and the system has already saved it. Alright, so now let's look at SQL Accounting. On default, SQL Accounting do not have a recurring module per se, but with some customization, we can generate a list of invoices for a particular month. First of all, you will need to actually contact us or your dealer if you need this module for your SQL Accounting. So how we actually manage it? We need to come to sales here, we need to come quotation. So what happens is we will need to create a set of templates for different kind of billings, and then after that we will need to tag your customer to that particular billing. Alright, so let's say example I want to use this template. All I just need to do is I will just come here, edit, and let's say I want to do the billing for today. So let's say it's 19/07/2021. Alright, and then here we have to change all this manually. So let's say July 2021. Then we press generate bill. Alright, so press yes. Then the system will find out which customers are tagged to this billing, and we just press OK. Alright, so done, save, and then come back to invoice, and your invoice are generated. Alright, okay. So based on our opinion, AutoCount actually has a better recurring function, as it allows you to control things such as customer, the date range of when you're going to start your billing, and how long the billing is going to happen, as well as it will has this one called auto generate function. So as a user, you don't need to remember that, oh, I need to generate this invoice. Alright, with SQL Accounting, a lot of things are still very manual, and as a user you need to remember, oh, this billing needs to be done, or it has not been ready to be billed, or things like the billing has stopped. Alright, so that's it for today's guide. Do let us know what feature comparison you would like us to do next. Thanks.